Okay, we're talking about none other than Larry Finn from BlackRock putting his weight behind this picture. He's not just talking about a meager $10,000 per XRP, oh no, he's pointing to it as a fundamental necessity. Let's set the record straight. From day one, there was a buzzing expectation that XRP hitting a monument $10,000 was not just a possibility but a certainty, and guess what? That prediction just got a turbo boost. Before we get started with today's material, let's quickly touch base. I would appreciate it if you could hit the like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell to join our fantastic community. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Picture titans of finance like Vanguard and BlackRock now seriously considering XRP for their international transactions. Hold on, things will get better. There are rumors that BlackRock will launch an ETF that focuses on XRP. Yes, you heard correctly, but there's more. Larry Fink is examining the enormous $30 trillion real estate sector, and you know what's at the core of its future. With an astounding $1.2 quadrillion from the ISDA, the global swaps and traders are prepared to tokenize the entire shebang on the XRP ledger. The association is expected to move through XRP. The $10,000 per XRP that kids play with isn't all that Ledger and Ripple were discussing. Right now, the value of XRP is incredible. We could see a sharp increase of up to $60,000. Let's get started. Larry Thinking from BlackRock dropped another bombshell in the following portion. He isn't just talking, he is acting. Ripple and its digital asset, XRP, are about to undergo massive tokenization of everything, and we have a clip in the next section of our video. People will notice that. Here's the video you've been waiting for. The introduction of the Bitcoin ETF is an example of how we're legitimizing it and enhancing safety. Larry believes he is verifying BlackRock's approach towards an XRP ETF. Let me explain. Are you going to do another ETF? What about XRP? ETF, you have Ether out there, I know that. What about XRP? Can you respond to that? You don't want me to succeed, and I can't. Okay, I can't. Don't give the rap to me. Fortunately, there have been a lot of strange things happening in the cryptocurrency world lately, especially with XRP. Take a look at this. The value of XRP surged on the well-known exchange Crypto.com, reaching an incredible $43,000. This is not a one-time occurrence. It fits into a larger pattern of XRP's value unexpectedly rising. Recall how we talked about a $7,000 XRP glitch at a major exchange just last week. Now it's Crypto.com's turn, and it appears that these abrupt increases in XRP's value are happening frequently across different exchanges. However, let's move on to something different, something I discovered through extensive research that is equally fascinating but unrelated to BlackRock or the general XRP market surge. We're delving into a topic involving Gary Gensler, the well-known SEC chairman who succeeded Jake Clinton. As most of you may be aware, Gensler regularly classifies XRP as a security. This is when the interesting part begins. Robert M. Gensler is Gary Gensler's brother and identical twin. They are the same age and strikingly similar. One important person at T-Price is Robert, now acting as its vice president when a closer look reveals that T-Price isn't your typical investment company. One of the biggest investors, it makes significant bets on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yes, XRP. Thus, this connection is intriguing. XRP is still classified as a security by the SEC, which is led by Gary Gensler. Among other cryptocurrencies, his twin brother is a major investor in XRP and is actively involved in an investing firm. It's an intriguing instrument that poses many queries regarding the complex processes at work in the realm of Bitcoin investments and regulations. This leads us to a fascinating possibility that Robert Gensler, the vice president of T-Price, have exclusive insights about XRP's potential akin to that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. This theory gains traction when you consider the firm's significant investments in these three cryptocurrencies, while the SEC publicly dismisses any know of insider trading. Numerous reports And investigations have suggested otherwise. These investigations, focusing on market manipulation and insider trading, has repeatedly pointed out questionable practices within the SEC. It appears that a pattern is emerging. SEC officials seem to be tipping off their relatives about which digital assets might soon be cleared of being labeled as securities. These relatives then invest early, and when the asset is officially declared not security, its value skyrockets, allowing these family members and friends to profit handsomely from buying low and selling high. In this context, let's consider the possibility that Robert and Gensler may have received insider information from his brother Gary Gensler regarding the SEC's potential loss in a lawsuit against XRP. Such facts might suggest that a settlement could be pushed by Congress. With Ripple Labs and the SEC working together, this is the ideal moment for astute investors to purchase XRP, but keep an eye on the price. Another layer to this story is added by the growing flow of money into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most notably XRP. The cryptocurrency community is talking about XRP possibly hitting incredible highs of $10,000, $20,000, or even $60,000. Analysts who have been optimistic about XRP, such as Jack the Ripper, predict an explosive increase in its value that could surpass $589. Despite being audacious, this prediction highlights the increased interest and conjecture surrounding XRP and its potential in the cryptocurrency market. Let's look deeper than the surface of this development. Wall Street is interested in a piece of the lucrative XRP pie, and I believe the first big play will be through an XRP ETF. However, there is some interesting news from Crypt Basic. An analyst is speculating that JP Morgan has made a significant move into XRP, and this has drawn the attention of a former Ripple director. This revelation raised my eyebrows, and it deserves further investigation. This is how the story unfolds. Ben Armstrong, who was formerly connected to the BitBoy cryptocurrency business, resurfaced some contentious claims. Armstrong, a well-known figure in the cryptocurrency world, responded to CLS regarding JP Morgan's purported investment in XRP in a series of posts. He implies that JP Morgan has purchased a substantial 7.5 million XRP tokens. Armstrong continues by asserting that this transaction amounts to around 7.5% of JP Morgan's overall value, but wait, the math looks completely out of line. To put it in perspective, 7.5 million XRP, at its current price of 4.46 million, is not even close to 7.5% of JP Morgan's wealth, given that the company's total assets as of 2023 valuation are an astounding $3.89 trillion. Armstrong highlights the importance of JP Morgan's purported approach, which suggests their covert XRP stockpiling, even though his estimate doesn't quite line up. He claims that this establishes JP Morgan as a rising force in the Bitcoin space. Thus we have, although the calculations may be a little hazy, the story of Wall Street behemoths like JP Morgan possibly entering the cryptocurrency space, particularly with XRP, is not to be disregarded. It suggests a broader trend of traditional finance interacting with the digital currency space, with XRP at the center of some intriguing developments. Armstrong's audacious remarks have also brought attention to BlackRock, the titan of asset management, who is causing controversy with his assertions. Following the approval of its Bitcoin ETF shares, BlackRock is now considering XRP for its investment portfolio. Armstrong continued after it. The fact that these financial titans are investing in XRP despite the continuing legal drama shows a strong conviction in XRP's bright future. He is also focusing on the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the US SEC. Here's the point, people: if this accumulating tendency is real, it would indicate that major financial institutions are placing bets on XRP despite its turbulent regulatory environment. The adoption of cryptocurrency by Wall Street was always imminent. I've been discussing this for more than 5 years, and at the time, it seemed like a pipe dream. However, now that Bitcoin is setting the standard, we believe XRP won't do the same. I would have to politely disagree. The question is not if, but when. Nevertheless, the particular situation Armstrong's painting may not be the complete image, but notice this: in response to Armstrong's bombshell claims, the conspiracy deepens. Former Ripple director Matt Hamilton added a healthy dose of cynicism, questioning not only the validity of such a transaction but also the potential effects on XRP given the token's enormous supply, after which Hamilton displays the calculator. Comparing 7.5 million XRP to the 100 billion XRP that is in circulation, we are looking at a meager 0.075%. Even Hamilton responded to Armstrong's assertions with a joke, "I assume this is a parody account." It's a corny reference to Armstrong's frequently outlandish remarks, implying that you would nearly need a satirical lens to understand them all. Since it really speaks for itself, let's dissect the maths here. Hamilton was spot on with the numbers, highlighting the blatant errors in the initial assertion. Although it's obvious that the numbers don't match up, this made me consider where this crazy tale started. People, I performed some research and found the treasure trove. So there you have it. In the complicated and frequently ambiguous world of crypto reporting, it's essential to remain astute and perceptive. As always, I'm here to help. I discovered the source, and it's a doozy. You use the actual scoop to traverse these rough waters. Please keep in mind that I am not a certified financial advisor and that the information in these videos is only meant for entertainment. Before making any financial decisions, viewers are always advised to do their research and speak with experts. Thank you very much for watching, and if you liked the video, please use the like button. Additionally, the subscribe button ensures that you enable notifications so you may be the first to know when I post new material. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Be careful.